Hello and good day. My name is David Wyatt and I'm with ATG LED Lighting. I'm here today to give you a short introduction to our company. We're expanding our footprint and our professional rep network across the United States as we execute on an aggressive growth plan. We need great rep partners to achieve our goals for our mutual benefit. And I think you'll find that ATG is a super up-and-coming company with many great things going for it, including great commissions and aggressive pricing. First, I'm going to go over a brief overview of the company, and then a website tour, just a short review of the product line and some of the creative tools that we have. So let's get started. So the company was actually founded back in 2001. We operate ISO 9000 factories in China, as well as operations here in the United States. Our first move into the lighting business was with Type C tubes way back in 2006. We were one of the first companies to do that. And we still have jobs out there that are burning those early Type C tubes with remote drivers. We've moved to consistently and consecutively larger facilities until the current facility that we moved into in 2019, which is 53,000 square feet. It's in Montclair, California, which is about 35 miles outside of Los Angeles. In 2019, we did reintroduce Type C lamps to the line, and we've also evolved into, of course, fixtures, both indoor and outdoor. Last year, in January, we announced a new lighting division, the creation of ATG LED Lighting, a division of ATG Electronics. And just recently, we introduced our first Bluetooth mesh control systems for both indoor and outdoor. I'm sure that'll be an area of interest for you. So why us? Why ATG? Well, what we're trying to do is deliver a great customer experience. We're trying to provide a quality product at a very competitive price with unparalleled service. You add all that up and you get a great customer experience, and that's what we're aiming for. So I already mentioned we're headquartered in Montclair, California. That's our U.S. headquarters. We have approximately 45 employees. We do indoor, outdoor, and lamps, and we have all the functional categories there as well, not to mention our marketing and graphic design, and of course, our distribution center. The new distribution center is about 53,000 square feet. It's really placed in a great area, right near the Ontario airport. And so we're very proud of our new facility. We operate Monday through Friday, starting at 6:30 in the morning. So that'll be 9:30 Eastern. And we will open all day till 4:30 in the afternoon. The warehouse is open from 7 to 3. And we're here to serve the customers any way we can. One of the most important things I want to talk about is our business model, which is in stock. Essentially, we have 3 regional distribution centers, one in Los Angeles, one in Kansas City, and one in Charlotte. We try to stock those distribution centers with material that is right for the region. So we're really looking at the Western region, a Central region, and the Eastern region. So we want you to be able to have the things that you need for a quick ship, and also to take advantage of any important rebate programs that might be going on. Right now, we have about 30 agents nationwide, and we are expanding. Currently, there's over 300 distributors on the books, but of course, that's also growing. We are purely a commercial industrial company. We don't do any residential to speak of, and we participate in all the major categories, and I'll show you that a little bit more. So one of the key aspects of our business model is to be able for our agents and customers to deliver products that get the best rebates. So we're trying for DLC premium on everything we make where there is a DLC category. Also, we're very proud of our 10-year warranty. So not every company has that, that's for sure. So that's definitely a strong selling point. Now, not everything comes with a 10-year warranty because it simply isn't, possible, like for lamps. But generally, you can think of us as having a standard 10-year warranty. We have a great team to support our reps in the field, whether it's regional managers, inside sales managers, application engineering, graphic artists, and of course, a great team for inside support. I'll tell you more about this in a minute, but we have a full line of indoor, full line of outdoor, including bollards, floodlights, wall packs, and poles, which is very important. And lamps. Okay, so we're in the lamp business too. Both the PL and the T8 and T5, both the type A and the type B. So in terms of key capabilities, I already mentioned we're looking at a 10-year warranty. On our website, you'll find all the IES files that you need. Plus, of course, the LM79, LM80 reports. We do some assembly here in the United States, certainly options and accessories, but we can build from the ground up if it makes sense. We also provide photometric layouts and custom orders, graphic design, and photography. So in terms of the graphic design, we can basically have special flyers for your region or your area. And it might target a particular product that you think is a hot mover or something that the local utility. But see, we can do that for you right away. And also case studies. So if you have a good job that you really want to get out there, we can go ahead and take photographs, write copy, and have a press release on that. So a lot of different things that we can do to help your business. So one of the things that we also really talk a lot about is our value-added services. We have the ability to do complete rebates for you and your customers. So if there's an opportunity that you're not sure exactly how to execute on it, we can help. I mentioned the application engineering. We also have ROI analysis and site surveys. So these are things that we're really trying to get out there to separate ourselves from the other competitors. So that's it for the PowerPoint. Let me now go to our website. And I want to take a couple minutes to show you what we have here. This is our website, atgledlighting.com. And you can see right away, instead of having sliders that are coming across with various products, we are trying to get a message out. And this message is really a lead generation message for our agents. We're trying to tell people very quickly, literally within 5 seconds, what we do, how it's going to help them, and how they can get it. So our call, or our theme, is LED lighting made easy. How are we going to do that? We're going to be your guide. We're to a successful lighting project every time. And our call to action is try us now. Just give us a try and you will see. If you click on the Try Us Now button, it will take you to a special form where you can sign up and tell us about projects, and we can immediately respond and give those leads back to the field. So it's been very successful. As you can see, we say Try Us Now. Once again, we're focused on the 5 key value-added services. By the way, we don't quote direct. That would never happen. We do provide quotation assistance through our agents. And once again, indoor, outdoor poles and lamps. But I thought what I'd do is just take a quick review of the various product classifications that we have for our product line. So we list 8 different categories: schools and university, healthcare, parks and recreation, parking and garage, security, office, industrial, renovation, and retrofit. Each one of these tabs has been tailored so that the products that show up there, in fact, do represent those product applications. So let's just take a quick look at schools and universities, because I think this is kind of a universal category. If you look at a school or university, you can pretty much use all of our different products. So let's just take a scroll down. First of all, we've just introduced a new line of stairwell fixtures. So we have both corner mount and surface mount, downlights, troppers, and panels. Okay. Now we have the Duo logo here. What does it mean? All these products are wattage selectable and color selectable. So we can provide stairwell, downlighting, and general ambient lighting with the wattage and color selectable. We also have linear products. Up, down, this is actually the Toros, is 90 down, 10% up, and the Huron linear fixtures. We have a full line of high bays, which is really in our wheelhouse. We do both linear high bays and round high bays. We have a full line, and we also have controls, both integrated and ones that can be connected to Bluetooth mesh networks. And then we have a number of products that you would expect, vapor proofs, retrofit kits and strips, and then the lamps. In the outdoor category, We've got two different floodlights. We have our economy floodlight series, our Eco Flood that goes from 30 watts all the way to 300 watts, the Ultra Sports Flood for ballpark lighting. We have the Myriad for more of an architectural light. And then, of course, our Archer, our Area, and our Arrow site lighting fixtures. Full line of wall packs, including the Guard Pack, which is a great product. It's only one form factor from 28 watts all the way to 80 watts. And it includes an integrated emergency battery pack so that you don't have to have an extra back box or an oversized housing. We have the Clio post top, also a very popular fixture, bollards, and then the poles. A recent introduction to our line has been a full line of exit and emergency fixtures. So as you can see, ATG LED lighting is a lot more than just one or two products. It's a full scope of line. And so, you know, we can do it all, and we have the products to do it, okay? That's a quick overview. Now, I wanted to show you my project. This is another campaign we have. The My Project feature allows customers, including yourselves as agents, specifiers, whatever, to actually register and establish an account. And what this is really like a hybrid shopping experience, almost like you would find on Amazon. So simply, you know, in my case, I already have an account, but if you were a new user, you'd be invited to sign up. And once you sign up, you have a dashboard, and you can go and see everything that you've done before. So for example, I've done quite a few of these training videos. So I have a number of projects that I've actually done. Here's one that I did recently. So you can come back to you know, your dashboard and revisit an existing project, or you know, you could start a new project. So in this case, this was request 77051. Let's take a look at what it was. But essentially what you're going to see is an example of what I created before. This was a school project, and essentially as I shop the website, I select different products, and I can assign them to fixture types and create a bill of materials. When I'm done, I can go back to products, or I can check out. So let's say I want to go back and I could start shopping again. Let's say I'd like to put in a request for a lighting layout and quote on, let's say, 50 vapor types. And so the way the project works is you can see that it'll ask me for certain information. First of all, I have to choose an option of which wattage. Let's say I'd like a 50 watt. Let's make this type A. And let's add to the cart, I need 50. By the way, you can see that we make it really easy to find spec sheets and so on. And then you can add this to the cart. Once it's added to the cart, you can view the cart, see what's in there, and you can make a decision. Do I want to continue shopping? Do I want to add more products? Or do I want to process the request? Once we do that, it'll take you to the checkout page where the client, whether it's yourself, a specifier, whatever, can tell us what is it exactly they want. Hey, I'd like to get a quote. I'd like a rep to call. I need a layout. Here's your bill of materials. In this case, it's just one thing, and process request. So now when you return and you go back to your account, you will see that not only is your previous job there, but now your current request is there too. So this is a great way to communicate with ATG, and it allows you to, as I said, enjoy a hybrid shopping experience. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you today was our rep portal. If you became one of our agents, you would be given a user ID and password. And when you do, you can get into the business manager and you can check stock real time, or you can get order information on any customer orders. So for example, let's say we want to check stock on flat panels. Today, I just have to put in a partial and hit search, And let's check stock on flat panels. Okay, the one that I'm looking for today, let's say, is a 2x2, 30 watts, and this is a selectable product. We happen to have over 969 in stock. Let's find out where they are. When you click on detail, it'll show you where the inventory is, and it will also provide pricing. Now, keep in mind, you can actually assign customers or distributors their own account so that they can check stock themselves and check on their orders. So we see here that all the stocks in Los Angeles, this is the stock code for LA. If it was in Charlotte, it would say EF. But anyway, it tells you where the inventory is, and it even gives you the pricing. Okay? Now, as far as customer orders, all your customers will be in here. So you can look up any customer you'd like. And let's say I want to check on something with them. Let's say this one right here, randomly. Here's all the orders that we've done with this customer. Let's say we want to check on this order in particular. We can instantly find out what's going on with this order, okay? It was one shipment. I did this randomly, but you know, the ship date was on August 28th of last year. It must have been a will call. Otherwise, you'd have the FedEx tracking in here. And it gives you all the information so that you can get order information back to your customers. This is a quick overview of the website. You've got the distribution stock guides that we've created here too as well. So you can download these and email them to customers. These are all the products that are stocked in the Eastern Distribution Center. We have our product categories, including new products. Some of the new products that are interesting is just in the last few months, we introduced quite a few new products, including these new stairwell fixtures, the new Eco Flood series, the Ultra Flood is new, and all the exit and emergency as well. The rep locator. Customers are very interested in finding out how to reach you. So depending on where you are, you know, the customer can actually put in the you know, the zip code, the location, and it'll tell them exactly who it is and how to get a hold of the agent in question. Also, we invite customers, specifiers, whatever, to do layouts online. All they have to do is fill out the online form, and we will get that information directly, and we will get back to them right away. So this is an overview. We've got a lot going on, and hopefully there might be we can get together, talk about it, and see if there's a mutual interest in you representing our company. Thank you for listening and appreciate it. Have a good day.